Yo, check your boy out. Fresh. Alright. Yo. Posted up, doing me. I stay in the streets. I've been doing me since I was 17. Yeah, I started late, but that's okay, y'all. I was raised right. I spray y'all. I don't give a fuck about your feelings, nigga. I'm Mr. G. Call me quicker trigger, cause I pull it fast and I lay your ass down in the grass. You be in the past. While I'm in the future. Nah, that's just my whip. The color fuchsia. That ain't purple. Nigga smoking purple. I'ma show you what it is. You gonna be like, Urkel, did I do that? Yeah, you know you done fucked up, right? It's Mr. G shit. Yeah, I'm in